Hi, you're back? Nice. Glimpse of Us by Joji, arranged by 4-String Boy and me, and today it's time for the second verse. Did you realize the change? I changed the G a little bit, and the A minor I did regularly, but then I changed into harmonics, and then is everything the same. So if you're not familiar anymore with it, jump back to my tutorial for verse and pre-chorus 1, and now we are ready for pre-chorus 2. So we play our highlights like we did the last time on the first, on the third, the fourth and the sixth beat, and with a slap on the fourth string or on the wood, whatever you prefer. So we play pinch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 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 pinch, 2, 3, 4, 5, oops, pinch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we do a little change with the D7. We play pinch, and we play the second fret first string, the second fret third string. Pinch, 1, 2, 3, and then we do our other G version, 4, 5, 6. So I play G with my ring finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I go with my index finger on the first string, second fret, with my middle finger on the third string, second fret, pinch, 1, 2, 3, and then with my ring finger on the fourth string, fourth fret, 4, 5, 6. You got it? I repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then we go to our pre-chorus like we did before with the A minor, and I play pinch, but then on the 7th fret I play my harmonics. So you put directly over the 7th fret your index, and simultaneously you play with your thumb the string and lift pretty fast. Then you bend the third string, first fret, and you go to the 8th. and do the same. With the index on the 8th fret and with your thumb on the string and a fast lift. Okay? Pinch. Pinch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. Pinch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. And then we play, we have time like 6 beats. Our D7 with a pinch, like we did before in our pre-chorus. Okay? So I repeat the pre-chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got it? So, be patient. Practice the little changes with the verse 2 and the pre-chorus 2, because we don't want to play always the same. And then we go over to the bridge and the final playing style of Glimpse of Us. I hope you understand everything. Gonna be my Patreon, so you have the PDF and backing tracks to practice. Love you, see you soon, Donja.